If a Chime Refund reverses, it often means that the merchant pulled it back or a temporary credit was removed. These are the immediate steps that you can do. Look for Chime alerts or email explaining the reversal, as it could be a merchant-initiated refund or a denied temporary credit. Next is to contact the Chime support. You can either contact them using the in-app chat or using your phone. Now, gather documentation. Collect receipts, order details, and shipping info and cancellation requests and any merchant communication. If it is a charge dispute, file a dispute. If you didn't authorize the charge or had an issue with goods or services, you can file a formal dispute in the application. Chime will investigate this, potentially offering temporary credit. And if denied, you can request a reinvestigation with new information, but be aware that temporary credits are removed if the decision stands. That's how you can fix if your Chime refund has been reversed, and thank you for listening.